How to turn off your Xiaomi 14T series. You can also try on Xiaomi 14T Pro. How to turn off using this power button only, and how to change this menu into the power off option on the cell phone. Okay, in the first step you can go to the setting menu, and then you can scroll up until you find additional setting. Tap on it and tap on gesture shortcut, and then you can tap on launch digital assistant and disable this option, and then you can go back, and then you can try to turn off your cell phone. But if it still does not work, you can try to turn off this feature. You can see the power off, then you can change it into the press and hold the power button like this, and now you can turn off your cell phone like this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.